Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be showing how to replace an iPhone LCD. First step, remove the two penelope screws that are in the lower side of the phone. These can be a little complicated. Take your time. Don't strip the screw. They might be a little small, so make sure to keep them in a safe spot. As you can see, now we go ahead and pry on top with a suction cup so we can be able to lift up the screen. As we lift up the screen, we get a pick and we move it around and we're able to open the phone. Now we unscrew the two battery connectors that are located in the middle section of the phone. This is going to take 3 Phillips screws to open up this part. Be sure to keep the screws in the same order because, like I said, they're very small and they can get lost very simply. Next, we're going to unscrew the logic board connectors. It'll take 5 Phillips screws, and we're going to do the same process as we did with the previous one. Make sure you keep the screws in order. The same way you take them out, you keep them separated as well. As we take off the covers, we're going to remove the front sensor connectors. Be careful with these connectors. They're little ribbon cables. They're very easy to break. Use a pick to lift them up and the phone should come up in separate pieces. We won't be using the phone, so we're going to put it aside and we're going to deal with the screen here. Here we're going to go ahead and remove the volume bar. All you're going to need is 3 Phillips head screws. As we do this, you'll see that the front camera has a lot of ribbon cables. These ribbon cables are really fragile. Be sure to pull them very slowly. Do not add any excess pressure to them. They should come out very simply. With the front proximity sensors from the LCD itself, they're usually put on with a little bit amount of adhesive, but nothing too crazy. Should come out very simple. Here we remove the 9 Phillips screws that go to the back of the metal shield. The metal shield supports the back of the LCD. There are 3 Phillips screws on the left, 2 on the right, 2 on the top, and 2 on the bottom. Remove these screws gently, don't strip them, put them aside, and we will keep working on the phone. Here we're removing the metal shield from the back of the LCD. Use a small pry tool to get it working. You can pry from all the angles, from the bottom, from the left, from the top. It's very easy to remove it. Make sure you remove the 2 ribbon cables that are glued onto the metal shield. You can use some heat. Carefully remove them from the back of the metal shield from the LCD, and you will have 2 separate parts. The metal shield will be on your left and the LCD will be on your right. This will conclude the disassemble process. To reassemble, please complete all the steps in reverse order. Thanks for watching.